Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to install LinkedIn on your Mac as a standalone app, quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open Safari. You can do this by clicking the Safari icon in your dock, or by pressing Command plus Space to open Spotlight, typing Safari, and hitting Enter. Once Safari is open, head to linkedin.com. Now click File in the top menu bar, then select Add to Dock. A small window will pop up where you can rename the shortcut if you like. I'll leave it as LinkedIn. Click Add and you'll see the LinkedIn icon appear in your dock. Here's the cool part. When you click the LinkedIn icon in your dock, it opens in its own app-like window, completely separate from Safari. Even if you quit Safari, LinkedIn stays open and works just like a native app. If you're using an older version of macOS and don't see the Add to Dock option, no worries. Check the description for an alternative method. And that's it. LinkedIn is now installed on your Mac like a real app. If this helped you out, give the video a like and subscribe for more Mac tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.